Introducing the award-winning 2023 Grand Wagoneer and Jeep Grand Cherokee. The New England Motor Press Association, NEMPA, has crowned them the champions of winter performance, recognizing their unrivaled capabilities in harsh weather conditions. Each year, NEMPA puts numerous vehicles to the test in the unforgiving New England winter. And for the second consecutive year, the Grand Wagoneer takes home the prestigious title of Official Winter SUV of the Year. But that's not all. The Grand Wagoneer L, with its extended length and enhanced features, was overwhelmingly voted the best premium full-size SUV, leaving no doubt about its luxury, space, and off-road capabilities. Clifford Attia, President, NEMPA. There is nothing more lavish, spacious, capable off-road, or plusher on the road than the Grand Wagoneer and its extended L model. The turbo inline-six and independent rear suspension make a large and capable SUV feel nimble and confident. And let's not forget the Jeep Grand Cherokee, continuing its legacy as the most awarded SUV ever, winning the title of New England's best midsize SUV for the second year in a row. Jim Morrison, Senior VP and Head of Jeep Brand North America, to have the respected members of the New England Motor Press honor the Grand Wagoneer and the Grand Cherokee, and name the Grand Wagoneer the official winter SUV of the year 2 years running, validates that our Jeep team continues to deliver the most capable SUVs both on-road, off-road, and in the snow. The Grand Wagoneer, building on a legacy of American craftsmanship, sets a new standard of sophistication, authenticity, and modern mobility. With its unique and premium customer experience, it delivers a blend of innovation and authentic SUV credentials. Meanwhile, the Jeep Grand Cherokee, now available as a plug-in hybrid, offers more luxury and space without compromising on its legendary four-wheel drive capability. With their exceptional performance and versatility, the 2023 Grand Wagoneer and Jeep Grand Cherokee are true winter warriors. Embrace the freedom to conquer any journey, no matter the weather. Jeep. Built for extraordinary journeys.